Hello traders, today I'm going to walk you through how to set your stop loss and take profit. We're using a simple MACD crossover strategy. Buy when the MACD line crosses above the signal line. From there we place the take profit 500 points above the entry and the stop loss 200 points below. Now we hop over to MetaTrader to double check the accuracy. As you can see in the strategy tester, our entry pops up after the MACD line crosses above the signal. Let's double check those distances with a quick calculation. Take profit 1.18342 minus 1.17842 equals exactly 500 points. Remember, this is based on a 5-digit price format. And for the stop loss, 1.17842 minus 1.17642 gives us 200 points. That's it. Thank you for watching and give it a try yourself.